Good evening, folks. Mark Wilson here at the Fancave. It's December 12th, 2006, 11:15 p.m. What I have here is a NuTone Verandah Deluxe from, it was actually manufactured in April of 1986. And it came with a beveled glass 5-piece light kit, but I used I actually had an extra antique brass colored switch housing cap on here, so I decided to put that on instead, and you'll see a subsequent video with the where I do install a light kit, and it does work. But yeah, I just acquired this fan last week, and bit of a drive, but it was worth it. One of my favorite fans I remember from my childhood, and this one's antique brass with brown painted blades. It does not have the variable switch knob that the older models had. It has the does have the reverse switch on the switch housing. Switch housing is loose. I actually tried reaching in there and tightening the nut, but it wasn't doing anything. I was turning and nothing was happening. So switch housing is a bit loose. Another issue are the blades, the way they connect to the brackets. When the fan was initially manufactured, it had these rubber grommets that would sort of created a cushion between the screw and the blade, in order to make for a quieter. Their intent was good. It was to make a quieter spin. But as far as they didn't really withstand the test of time. They tend to, and this happens with all the NuTone fans. They break down. Little gaskets, and they're basically disintegrated now. Some have fallen out entirely, so there's that gap between where the screw meets the blade. So blades are they look a little bit droopy, but it's not actually the blades. They're still fine. It's just the the space between the blade and the screw. Where the gasket would go. So without further ado, let's take it for a test spin. Starts off with the fast setting. Alright. Let's try it on. Got the reverse switch stuck halfway. I'm not sure if you folks are familiar with this or not, but this particular model actually has open vents on the top of the motor housing. I've never seen a veranda with those before. Of course, the bottom ones are closed, like all verandas. But the top ones are open, which is kind of bizarre. I've never seen that before. It also actually has a newer spinner motor. It doesn't have the safer built motor like the Pro line does. Some of the older verandas had. It actually has a straight-sided spinner motor, which I'll get to later. Yeah, it actually moves a pretty good deal of air. Yeah, medium. and slow. Actually gonna test out the speed on my anemometer here. Okay, and it's not actually registering on low. Let's try medium. I'm getting a reading of 3.7 miles per hour. See what fast is. Son of a... Alright, I'm getting a reading of 4.4 miles per hour on fast. And now for the spin down. Alrighty, folks. I'm actually going to connect a another video that I already made with the light kit attached. So stay tuned for that. Thanks a lot for watching. I'd appreciate it if you would subscribe to my page called the Fancave. Click like on this video, and feel free to check out my Facebook page of the same name, the Fancave. And have yourself a great day. Here's the optional beveled glass light kit. Anyway, folks, thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned for more fan videos. Good night and good luck. We're gonna need it.